Hai semuanya, welcome back again to our program Ada Kelas di ATV. Program ini terselenggara berkat kerjasama Dinas Pendidikan Kota Batu dengan Agropolitan TV. While students after we started about greeting atau sapaan, sekarang kita belajar tentang how to take leave or leave taking, or in Indonesia we call it berpamitan. Bagaimana cara kita berpamitan dengan seseorang? Yes, banyak sekali ungkapan-ungkapan yang bisa kita gunakan. Tetapi pasti kalian sering menggunakan goodbye atau bye, seperti itu ya. Tapi sebenarnya banyak sekali. For example, kita bisa bilang see you later. Nice to meet you. Kemudian kita juga bisa bilang good night ketika kita sudah mau berpisah ya anak-anak ya. Misalnya ketika kita mau tidur gitu ya sama orang tua kita, lalu kita bilang good night dad, good night mom, dan lain sebagainya. Oke anak-anak, stay tune terus di Ada Kelas di ATV karena sebentar lagi kita akan membahas how to take leave or leave taking and how to respond them. Oke anak-anak, di materi yang pertama tadi kita belajar tentang greeting atau sapaan. Sekarang we are going to focus on how to take leave atau leave taking. Can you see the dialogue here? Good. Di sini ada Edo and Mom, gitu ya. There are two people in the dialogues. Yang pertama Edo menyapa dulu dengan berpamitan ya tentunya karena si Edo bilang goodbye Mom. Ini adalah expression of leave taking. Bagaimana ibunya meresponnya? Good. Di situ ibunya bilang, goodbye Edo, take care and see you later. Sampai jumpa Edo, hati-hati dan sampai ketemu lagi. Oke, dari dialog ini kita bisa melihat ada beberapa expressions of leave taking. Yang pertama, yes, goodbye. Yang kedua, take care. Yang ketiga, see you later. Oke anak-anak, can you see the difference? Nice. Okay, let's move on to the next slide here. Can you see the difference? Nggak ada mem, ya karena kita memang fokus dengan ungkapan how to take leave or leave taking. Yang artinya tadi apa sih? Okay, good. Berpamitan. How many people in the dialogue? Good. Two students here, ma'am. Boy or girls? Girls, yes, good. Di sini saling menyapa dengan berpamitan ya, bukan menyapanya dalam greeting tidak, tetapi berpamitan atau leave taking karena dia bilang see you later. Kemudian direspon dengan take care, see you. Gitu ya anak-anak ya, bolehlah seperti itu ketika kita berpamitan. Artinya sampai jumpa, hati-hati gitu ya. Jadi ketika ada teman yang menyapa kita, sebaiknya kita meresponnya ya, supaya kita bisa mengaplikasikannya, tidak hanya di materi saja atau pelajaran saja. Oke, do you understand? Nice. Okay, now look at the pictures again. Ada picture number 3 and 4. Jadi ada dialog di gambar nomor 3 dan nomor 4. Di sini kita juga bisa melihat expressions of leave taking-nya ada nggak sih? Yes, good. Ada ya anak-anak ya? Apa saja sih ekspresinya? Oke, good. Yang pertama ada berpamitan dengan mengatakan good night, have a nice dream. Ketika mau ngapain sih kalau kita ngomong good night, have a nice dream? Yes, from the picture you can see that ada seorang anak yang mau tidur gitu ya. Jadi mereka saling berpamitan dengan bilang good night dan have a nice dream. Semoga mimpi indah. Lalu, bisakah kita meresponnya? Tentu kita bisa. Kita juga bisa bilang good night and have a nice dream too. Semoga kamu juga mimpi indah. Begitu juga kita lihat ke dialog number 4 ya, di picture nomor 4. Di situ juga mengungkapkan good night. Good night, mom. Good night, dad. Gitu ya. Lalu orang tuanya bisa menjawab good night. So, when you are in your family with your mom or your dad, don't be shy. Kalian jangan malu ya. It's okay, kan kalian bisa practice with your parents. Kalian bisa bilang good night mom ketika kalian mau tidur. Bu, orang tuanya nggak mengerti. It's okay. Karena dalam bahasa Inggris yang penting kita sering berlatih. So, practice makes perfect. Ketika kalian suka berlatih mengucapkan bahasa Inggris, tentu pronunciation kalian akan lebih lancar. So, you can say something in English fluently. Is that right? Good. Tentu kita bisa melakukannya, bukan? Good. Baik anak-anak, now please look at this table. So, from the dialogues that we have discussed before, you can learn many expressions of leave taking here. As you can see from this table, there are some expressions of leave taking and how to respond it. Jadi, di tabel ini disajikan beberapa ungkapan leave taking atau salam perpisahan dan bagaimana cara meresponnya. Kalian bisa melihat, for example, kalian bisa bilang good night mom, lalu kalian juga bisa meresponnya dengan kata good night. Kemudian kita juga bisa mengungkapkan ungkapan pamitan dengan berkata have a nice dream, goodbye or bye, see you tomorrow or see you later. Jadi cukup mudah kan anak-anak? Bu Indi harap kalian bisa mengaplikasikannya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. After you studied the expressions from the table, I hope you can apply it in your daily life. So, ketika kalian berpamitan atau berpisah, you say something in English. Okay, can you do that? Nice. Now, it's time for you to watch the video. So, I've prepared a video. This is a very short video. What I'm going to ask you is that find the expressions used in the dialect. Then we will discuss it later. Now please watch the videos.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You are
Aliza, I'm your student.
Oh, how are you, Aliza?
I'm fine, thank you. And how about you?
I'm fine too. What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for my friend.
Oh, sorry, I have to go now.
Okay, ma'am. See you.
See you, bye-bye.
Well, students, after you watch the video, what kind of expression that they used? Well, let's see the slide here. You know that there are some colors in this dialogue. Can't you see them? What color are they? Yes, they are black, blue, and red. Baik anak-anak, dari percakapan tersebut kita bisa melihat ada beberapa warna. Warna apakah yang menunjukkan greeting? Yes, good, black color. Di situ ada good morning and how are you. Then, what color express leave taking? Nice. The red one, ma'am. Yes. Sorry, I have to go now. Lalu ada see you and see you later. It means that they say leave taking or to take leave with someone when they meet them. Now let's see the table here. You can see the other expressions of leave taking and its responses. Di tabel ini kalian bisa memperhatikan lebih banyak lagi ungkapan-ungkapan berpamitan atau berpisah. Apa aja ungkapannya? Ya, you can see leave taking here. Kalian bisa bilang, I must go now. Aku harus pergi sekarang. Lalu bagaimana responnya? Kalian bisa bilang bye, bye, see you, take care, farewell, and so long. Kalian juga bisa bilang, I think I should be going. Aku rasa aku harus pergi. I think I should be on my way. I've got to go now. I've got to be going now. Dan banyak sekali ekspresi-ekspresi yang bisa kalian ungkapkan ketika kalian berpisah. Now let's move on to the other table. Kalian bisa lihat, you can see if you want to take leave, we can say for the closing atau penutupnya dengan berkata, I'm glad to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. It's nice to meet you. It's good meeting you. It's great meeting you. Semuanya sama ya, artinya senang bertemu denganmu. Oke anak-anak, tadi kalian sudah mempelajari ya expression how to take leave or leave taking atau berpamitan. Ada beberapa ya tadi yang sudah kita pelajari. Kita bisa bilang apa aja tadi? Nice. Yang pertama kita bisa bilang goodbye. Yang kedua, see you. Yang ketiga, see you later. Take care. Kemudian kita juga bisa bilang good night ketika kita berpamitan untuk tidur. Okay, students, now it's time for you to write. Let's write. Please make a list of people you said goodbye in English today. Do like the example. Kalian bisa melihat ada box di sini ya, ada table. Kalian bisa melakukannya atau menuliskannya sesuai dengan contoh yang diberikan. Yang pertama kalian tadi diminta untuk menyebutkan namanya terlebih dahulu ya. Kalian ketemu siapa, kemudian di tabel yang kedua itu what time, jam berapa sih kalian ketemu, kemudian what did you say, kalian ngomongnya apa ketika berpamitan. Jadi expression apa yang kalian gunakan. Kalian bisa menuliskannya on your book. Bisa juga kalian misalnya lagi di rumah, okay, with the people in your house, that's okay, with your mom or your dad or maybe your sister or brother. But when you are in a classroom, it's very easy and simple. Just practice with your friends. Just write down the name of your friends and what time did you say goodbye and the expression you said. Okay? Can you do that? Nice. I will give you time to write down. Just in case in some minutes, it's okay. Just do it. Oke anak-anak, sudahkah kalian menyelesaikan tabel tentang how to take a leave tadi? Nice. Okay, so I think that's it our materials about how to take leave or expression of leave taking. Bagaimana cara kita berpamitan. After this, we are going to study about the expression of thanking and apologizing. Jadi, stay tune terus bersama Ada Kelas di RTV.